A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for car.
C for car.
D for doll.
D for doll.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F for fan.
F for fan.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for inkpot.
I for inkpot.
J for joker.
J for joker.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rat.
R for rat.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for X-ray.
X for X-ray.
Y for yoga.
Y for yoga.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
तो बच्चों, यह वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और इस वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलेंगे।